His first tweet said, "If our Twitter bid succeeds, we will defeat the spam bots or die trying and authenticate all real humans." So, what I say authenticate all real humans there, and that he tweeted that on April 21st. That must be ringing a lot of bells in your head, right?
For sure. And when I saw that, I was actually much more hopeful about Elon's bid here, because we certainly think that one of the biggest problems we have online right now is all these bots. And it's not just for scammers, it also reduces the quality of the information that we have online. So, and we'll get into that a little bit later, but these things are all related. And another one that he said that I thought was quite good, he was talking about, he did a poll online and he was asking, should we open source our algorithms at Twitter? And I think the poll got like 80% plus people saying, yes, we definitely need to open source the algorithm. So like right off the bat, Elon just went after two of what I think are the biggest problems on the Twitter platform. One is the bots, and then the other is giving people more information on how decisions are made at such an important social media platform. So I'm pretty excited about that. He also came out with another tweet that was a little bit spicier. It's like, if social media platform policies are good, if the most extreme 10% on the left and the right are equally unhappy, I think that's a good way to make at least a lot of extreme people not like you. But I think it was good to see him come out and say that too, because he's going to have a hell of a time moderating, and we can get into all the reasons why. But the internet has just become it's huge, and it's really hard to wrap your head around, even for someone as genius as Elon Musk.
Yeah.
And I think he's going to have some trouble.
Totally. And it's interesting to see him recognize the fact that he knows going into this, he's not making everybody happy in this situation. There's not a product decision that he can do that's going to just check the box for everybody. And that's just the nature of kind of politics and, I guess, being such a public figure.
Yeah.
But in his poll that you shared, one thing I thought was interesting about that was there was over 1 million votes. Mm-hmm. He got 1,100,000 plus votes on that. And sure, the people following him probably are leaning a certain way in terms of their views on technology and business. But it's so interesting how he can have such a wide reach and get such instant feedback. And thinking about how people at Twitter today, or even in politics, when they're making decisions, there is orders of magnitude like smaller reach that they have when trying to make these decisions and the surveys they're doing. So the direct user feedback he's going to get, and I think the real-time innovation we're going to be seeing from him, is going to be pretty remarkable.
And I think one other thing to point out here is the fact that this is the thing that everyone's talking about is a result of the fact that we do have these monopolies. And so maybe one other thing we can touch on as we kind of talk through this is, like, it's really bad that we only have one Twitter where everyone's aggregating on the community square. And we need to disaggregate social media to encourage competition. And, like, some people are very upset about Elon Musk buying Twitter. Some people are very excited. I am upset that we don't have more than one place to go. And, if we had like 10 or 20 places to go instead of just one, then any one person wouldn't have such an outsized impact on the information that everyone receives. And I think that is super dangerous.
You're listening to the Unstoppable Podcast, the go-to place for everyone to learn about the latest innovations in Web3, NFTs, and the decentralized web. Welcome to the metaverse.